where we did a presentation or PDF generation, the click of a button via text or input from your microphone. We're using the A2A and ADK agents to do it. We have 3 A2A agents, with one of which is the host agent, which runs at 8,000, which is doing all of the handling to calling each agent that is necessary. And then we have 2 sub-agents, which then use the ADK protocols to do different kinds of calls with LLM agents or sequential agents to have a different kind of order on what they're going to do with each of them. One of them is for presentation generation, and then the other one is for summarization generation, which is here. Yes. And in total, we have also a complete web application that works. It is connected with it. Both of them are currently running, as you can see right here. And I would say we're making our first demonstration of it. So I'm first going to demonstrate the microphone use, which I'm just asking, generate a presentation of this text. Then we have that, and then I'm just going to use a simple text that I got generated about space mergers and Mars, and I'm going to put it in, and we're going to see the result. While this is loading, you will see that the handling, we can see it right here, the main agent is getting called, and then it handles that via the A2A calling to hand it off to the separate agent, which is representative. At this time, it's the presentation agent, as you can see here. So it's running that, and then we'll see the output. So once it's finished, you'll see here a open generated HTML button and a download HTML button. We're not going to click the open one, then we're going to see here our generated presentation, and we can go through it. And as we'll see, we have also charts implemented that are automatically showing like the human survival probability based on alien technology, Earth defense systems, and all of them are handled. Now, how does it actually work? The agent is going over each of the, so it's first going to generate like how many slides we're going to use in total, and then it's going to use that to have like a plan on what to generate, how it's going to generate, then also when to use a graph, for example. So that was the first thing that it can do, but since it's A2A, what we want to have it like multi-agent, so actually decide what it can do. So our second agent is currently using for summarization. So for example, if you have a presentation, you also need to do handouts. You can use the summarization agent to generate summarization for you in the PDF. But we're using latex and also ADK agents for handling the sequential and also the normal LLM models. So for this one, generate a summary, and since it has the cards for each agent, they know what each agent can do. So this agent is responsible for summaries, and the other one is responsible for presentations. But there's of course multiple ways you can name it. So now we're going to run this and see the output this time. So then once it generated PDF, it has the same way. We can open it or we can download it, as here we can see. And then so we're going to open it up now. And then we're going to see here a nice formatted with latex a summarization page about what is going to happen to humanity if the space mergers are going to attack Earth and Mars. And yes, I also drew it out here. We have our host agent, which is handling all of the calling and has all of the capabilities of each of the agents via the agent cards. And it's going to make requests to say like, hey, what can you do? What can you do? And then it's going to communicate with each of their cards to understand what they can do. And then based on that, it's going to call each of them via HTTPS requests. That's why we also have all of them running on different HTTPS servers. Or like with different HTTPS routes. So this is our project. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you can try it out for yourself. Thank you.